Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to download and use Snap Camera again in 2026. First open your browser and search for Snap Camera 1.21 on Google. Then open the up-to-down link and download the file. Once the download is complete, open it and start the installation. Also make sure to tick the desktop icon option. After the installation is finished, untick the launch option and click on finish. Now open your browser again and search for snapjaku.tv on Google. Then open the website you see in the first results. On this site, select version 1.21 in the patch file section and click on choose file. Then open local disk C, go to the programs files, find the Snap folder and open it. Inside the Snap Camera folder, select the Snap Camera application and click on Apply Patch. Now the patch file will be downloaded automatically. After that, open the file location and close your browser. Now right click on the application and rename it to Snap Camera. Then right click on it again and select Cut. Now right click on the Snap Camera icon on your desktop and choose Open File Location. After that, paste the patched file there. Once done, close everything and open Snap Camera. Now all done. You will see all the filters are working. Just click on any filter and it will download and be added to your camera. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.